Alright, today we are going to be changing the HEPA filter on this Germ Guardian. This is the AC5350. And let's get started. First thing you need is gather your stuff. This is the UV light here, and this is the filter. This takes this size C. And then you also need a little Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, so first order of business, make sure it's unplugged. Next order of business, we're going to remove this right here. Pull that tab down, and that's going to give you access to the filter. As you can see, it's been about a year for mine. Just pull that out. This is the pre-filter. It's pretty filthy. And then also the HEPA filter itself is also pretty dirty. And then next, we're going to take the screws out here. This is going to give us access to the UV light back here. All right, so let's do that. Okay, so once you have those two screws out, this actually pulls out like that. And something to note is there's a little switch back here. There's actually one right here as well. If that's not pressed in, the unit won't turn on. Okay, so removing the old one, literally just pull it straight out. Now the new one, I suggest you put on cotton gloves to install the new one. So it goes in just like so. There you go, that's in. All right, now we're going to replace this plate, and like I said, you want to hear this sound. Okay, so this sound right here. Hear that? You want to make sure that's depressed when you put these two screws in. All right, so let's get those in. Here's the old filter versus the new filter. All right, so let's go ahead and put this in. And like I said, there's a switch on the bottom here. You want to make sure that is depressed and it slides in, fits in nicely. Replace the cover. Let's plug it in. And good to go, back in action. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.